We reached Cape Verdes, a couple of African islands in the Atlantic. This is where we make a pit stop on our way to Suriname. We dropped anchor in the Bay of Mindelo, Sao Vicente. It's a dry island, but the people really make it colorful.
Depois de matar a seca tropical na somar, na domingo de tarde de Ciro Verdavar, panha malta de grupo privado nós por nós. No camba cananga panha menina sabura, Cirija bico, disseram palmanhão, combo cabeça com caldo quente de peixe. Maltas perigoso, panha menina sabura, já saia falado, Cirija bico, tique manche. Kumoriba bico, kumoriba lá. Kumoriba bico, kumoriba lá.
Visiting the officials is no hassle at all. They're all friendly. We park our dinghy in the marina for €4 a day and it's safe and easy.
Na compasso fumedeca, discoteca riba dora na rincon da pega lume. Nossas de tanque, rica leso cabeça. Choma camponeses na estrada também. Oi, chale na chão, esqueci de Ramonda. Desfuna deca, se primite só sabura. Maltas perigoso, panha meninas bonita. Puxa saia palado, se já bico, tique manche. Kumoriba bico, kumoriba lá. Rapazes nho Cirija, mas com respeito. Kumoriba bico, kumoriba lá. É pra Cirija, mas com respeito.
Mindelo, ja, hier blijven maar. Dat vind ik heel erg leuk. En gezellig.
Cirija.
Drones are really hot among sailors. We also would like to have one, but chances are that I will give it a swimming lesson immediately after launching it. So we'll stick to the old school kite instead. That suits the 61-year-old Bolle way better. Whoa, coming down! Windmill. Oh, windmill!
Minis de liceu, já saí tudo tá core. Vendedeira no mercado, tudo raro, barbariro. Fronteiro que segura, que se tá passa medida. Condutores de aço, se tudo tá pergunta. Desfuna deca, me passageiros que pedi. Kumoriba bico, kumoriba lá. Rapazes nho Cirija, mas com respeito. Kumoriba bico, kumoriba lá.
We gaan nog even een stuk zwemmen. Duik er nog even in.
Cape Verde doesn't want to set us free. The wind keeps on blowing and the waves won't go down while we agreed on a smooth ride. We checked our options for Brazil because of better weather conditions in that direction, but that seemed a little bit too dangerous for us. So, we have some spare time to spend. Time for an off-road adventure!
2, zo 4x4. Woo! Yeah!
Apart from their colorful clothing, Cape Verde is also known for their music, specifically Sao Vicente. So we enjoy a night of music and local drinks in Mindelo.
Rietsuikerrum. Rietsuikerrum, denk ik.
And then finally our last preparations for the big Atlantic crossing.
Is dit je laatste avondmaal?
En dat zijn de laatste. Ik heb gewoon een hele voorraad opgekocht, hè? Maar ja, drie.
Mark, wat zijn jouw laatste woorden voor Mindelo?
Als het verstaat met hun schuld. Wat zei ik nou?
Oh, niet meer eten.